To download and install Zoom, open a web browser, go to zoom.us/download. Once there, you will see that the first item is Zoom Client for Meetings. Click the download button. Once the Zoom installer has been downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the Zoom installer. Zoom will begin installing. Once the install is complete, you will be prompted to join a meeting or sign in. Click Join a Meeting. Enter your meeting ID or the link provided to you by your professor to join the meeting. If you've joined in the past, click the arrow button and click your past meeting, and then join. Once in the meeting, you will be prompted to join with computer audio. To avoid having to click this button again, click Automatically Join Audio by Computer when joining a meeting and join with computer audio.